Hi, this is Mondo.
Hi, my name is Gloria.
Join us as we take a southbound Berryessa train from Coliseum Station to San Leandro. And along the way, I will explain why I was absent from social media. So we're standing with the door open. All right, we'll be boarding the train.
Now boarding at Coliseum.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Line train to berryessa. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Where?
So, the reason why I was absent from social media was because I clicked on a link that was supposed to update my phone, but when I clicked on it, it turned out to be that my phone was hacked, so I had to get a
The
replacement.
next station is San Leandro.
For anyone who's blind or visually impaired, my suggestion is go through your system settings and verify that the update your phone is suggesting is an official update before you click on anything. So we're on board a South Berryessa bound train. The train starts out in San Francisco and we're heading towards San Jose. The next stop is San Leandro, and that's where we're getting off. It's a short 5-minute ride. This video is recorded during peak hour, as you can see. We'll be approaching our station shortly.
Ready?
Yes, we're almost here.
Arriving at San Leandro.
That's our station.
Now boarding at San Leandro. This is a Green Line train to berryessa. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Another reason why I wanted to record at this station is, as you can see, this is a two-sided platform station with trains heading southbound on one side of the station, trains heading northbound on the other side. What that means is, for example, we got off a southbound train, and if we wanted to go back up north to Oakland, we would have to head downstairs, come up another set of stairs, and board the train going northbound at the other side of the station. Well, we'll be recording a couple of trains here today. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, Blind Rail Fan. Peace.